Hello, I'm Trey Taylor, and welcome to Brian Fagan's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to address a topic that comes up frequently in custody cases. Can a mother legally keep the child from the father without a court order in Texas? This is a critical question, especially for parents who are not living together or who are in the middle of a separation. In Texas, the answer to whether a mother can legally keep a child from the father without a court order is complicated and depends heavily on the specific circumstances. In Texas, both parents have equal rights to their child, unless a court order says otherwise. This means that if no court order is in place, technically, both the mother and the father have equal rights to make decisions about their child and how to spend time with them. However, this doesn't mean that either parent can make unilateral decisions about the child's living arrangements without considering the rights of the other parent. For instance, if there's no court order, a mother cannot legally prevent the father from seeing the child just because she doesn't want to. Doing so could easily result in legal consequences, especially if the father decides to take the matter to court. There are, however, situations where a mother might feel justified in keeping a child from the father. These situations often involve concerns about the child's safety and well-being. For example, if the father is struggling with substance abuse, the mother may worry that he could endanger the child's safety. Or if the child has a history of neglect or has shown little interest in being involved in the child's life, the mother might argue that it's in the child's best interest to limit contact. Even in these situations, it's important to remember that without a court order, these actions are not legally sanctioned, and the father still has rights. The safest course of action for the mother in such cases is to seek a protective order or a temporary restraining order from the court to legally establish her right to keep the child away from the father until the court can make a more permanent decision. Without a court order, both parents have equal rights, but this can lead to conflicts and instability for the child. A court order provides clear guidelines about custody, visitation, and decision-making authority, helping to prevent disputes and protect the best interests of the child. If a father feels that the mother is unfairly keeping the child from him, he can file a petition with the court to establish or enforce his custody or visitation rights. Similarly, if a mother has genuine concerns about the father's ability to care for the child, she should seek a court order to protect the child's well-being legally. Let's consider a real-life scenario. Maria and James have a 5-year-old son, Alex. They were never married and recently broke up. There is no court order in place regarding custody or visitation. Maria has primary care of Alex, and James has been spending time with him on weekends. However, Maria starts to worry about James's ability to care for Alex after noticing that James has been drinking heavily and has been inconsistent with his weekend visits. Out of concern, Maria decides to stop letting James see Alex. She tells James he can't visit Alex until he gets his act together. James, frustrated and wanting to see his son, files a petition with the court, claiming that Maria is unlawfully keeping Alex from him. In this scenario, the court will review the situation to determine whether Maria's actions were justified. If Maria's concerns about James's drinking are valid, the court might restrict James's visitation rights or require supervised visits. However, because there was no court order in place initially, Maria was technically not within her legal rights to deny James access to their son without going through the proper legal channels first. The bottom line is, in Texas, a mother cannot legally keep a child from the father without a court order unless there's an immediate danger to the child's safety. If you find yourself in a situation where you need to protect your child or enforce your parental rights, it's crucial to seek legal advice and obtain a court order. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you found it informative, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more family law insights. Thank you, and take care.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.